Hi friends, thank you so much for stopping by today and welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Alyssa and today I just wanted to share with you all this mini junk journal that I made out of treat bags. So this is the cute little Valentine's themed treat bag that I got from Target, and it came in a pack like this. I think it was a pack of 20, and this is the other design that it had as well. So I did get these to actually use as pockets in a junk journal, but then I was like, I'm just going to use them to create a whole journal in and of itself. So this is what I created, and I just added some trim here down the side. I did add the XOXO with some alphabet stickers that I had, and then I made this little clothespin dangle. So I actually just used some jump rings from the Dollar Tree to create a little chain here. And then I just put a few crackle beads and cute little charms there just to add some more cuteness to this journal. But that's just obviously on a mini clothespin, which is also from the Dollar Tree. So I've just clipped that to the top of the bag there. And you can also see the different layers here just from the sides of my pages. So let's go ahead and flip through this. And you can see also how I connected my treat bags together. I just took 3 little scrap strips and I glued them to each side of my bag here. And that's literally how I connected them together. So is it the most sturdy way to make a journal? Probably not, but this isn't meant to hold anything too heavy, and it's just a small mini journal. So if anything also tears or you need to add some repair here and there, you can just glue things or tape things right over top, and it just adds to the whole look here of the junk journal. So I'll go ahead and just show you everything that I put in here. This here, some of you may recognize, is from the Dollar Tree, and it's from the classroom section. It's those little decor sheets they have. And I just thought the little jam jar with the strawberry was so cute for a Valentine's journal. It says, "You're the jam." And I just attached it with my glittery heart washi tape there. And I really like to do that, like just attach pages or papers with some washi tape, because I like to just be able to flip up the paper. And then you could put a photo underneath here or do some more journaling. You could also journal on the back there. So there's lots of space. And then of course the treat bag itself is a pocket. So I put this piece in here. So I thought I would either put a 4x6 photo here and just tuck it behind the little ticket, and then I could write a caption there. Or I could just turn this into a journaling card, because I do like how the blue here kind of goes with the blue of the jam jar there. So you can kind of see this blue peeking out from the pocket like that. So I may just leave this, not really sure yet, but this is also the paper in the background, which is from the Valentine's Day paper pad by Park Lane. So cute. It says "the perfect match." So I thought maybe like a photo of you and your loved one would go there. And then over here, I just have some pockets. So it flips like this, and I just used a clear plastic sleeve from some type of packaging. So if you buy stickers from the Dollar Tree or something like that, they always have that plastic sleeve. Or I guess anywhere that sells stickers, but I'm pretty sure that these are from Dollar Tree sticker packs. So what I did was I would just cut off each end so that both ends were open, and so I could get a pocket here. And then there's also a pocket here. And then I just folded the whole entire sleeve in half, of course, so that I could have this little flip page too. So in here, this is just a little journaling card that says "love." And I do love that you can see what's inside of the pocket when you use these clear little plastic sleeves. So there's that. And then over here is just a little tuck spot. And this could be used for journaling, or you could tuck a photo underneath as well. You could even journal on this pink paper. And then you can see that I just attached the plastic sleeve with 2 glue dots here. So you could washi tape it on, you could sew it on, staple it on, whatever you want to do. And that's how I got my little see-through pockets here. So I really like adding those into my junk journals. And over on the next page here, this is a greeting card. It says, "Love you, bud." But I just stuck the other half of it inside of the treat bag pocket, just so this beautiful design was showing through. But I really love to use greeting cards in my junk journals because obviously they are great little journaling cards as well. And you can even add photos inside as well, little flat souvenirs or tickets or museum passes, things like that. So I just stick that right in here. But underneath, I just have this white heart doily, which would be great for a picture or for some writing space as well. And you can see here are my other 3 little scrap strips that I used to connect these 2 treat bags together. And over on this side, I just washi taped some extra little scraps here. So you could write a small little list here. I love using vellum to journal on as well. So I just have my Sharpie pen and I'll write right over the vellum. And it's just a really pretty look. And then I added this wooden heart as well, just to the corner there for some extra decoration. And then, I mean, you can obviously lift this up and journal all over on this side as well. Over here, I just have a tuck spot. So there's a little journaling card in there. And then this little pouch here is from the Dollar Tree as well. It's actually a treat box too, but I laid it flat so it could be a nice big pocket. And inside, I have another one of these decor sheets from the Dollar Tree. This one is a little more sturdy though, so it would be great for journaling on. So you could journal on the back, but it's so cute with the strawberry, just a little strawberry cupcake there. And then I also have another greeting card. So this one says, "Be mine." It's got the cute little typewriter. So don't you think a photo would go so nicely in here? And then you could journal about it all on the inside. You could write on the back as well. So I think greeting cards are just so much fun to use in junk journals. And then in the very back, in the treat bag at least, I just stuck one of these sheets, which could be a photo mat, or you could decorate this further for a journaling card. So I'm just really all about layering things up in my junk journals, and it just makes it more fun and interactive. Can't forget this one. And then over on this side, I just have this wooden heart over in the corner, and I paper clipped this cut apart from the Valentine's Day paper pad, because sometimes you don't want to commit to gluing something down completely on a page. Maybe you're going to put it somewhere else in your journal, or maybe you just want to leave it paper clipped on so that you can take it off and read what's on the back or something like that. So you could also put a photo here instead and then write a little caption in the heart. So just different options there. I like using paper clips and things like that where items can just be removed easily. Can you please go back? But yeah, that's my little cut apart there. And this is the last pocket. So I just made a loaded pocket with this pink paper bag. And it says, "Happy Valentine's Day" down here. I've got some glittery heart stickers. And then, of course, just some different elements to use in the journal or keep them in the loaded pocket. And in the very back, I just have a bigger journaling card and a bigger ephemera piece. So you could stick a lot more things in here, obviously, but sometimes you collect things from your trips and you can add them inside as well. So even this itself would be a really nice page in a junk journal, but it fit perfectly inside of the pocket here, so that's where I'm keeping it for now. And then I did just add some trim here on the side too. And I think that's everything. So again, there's my 3 little strips to connect these 2 bags. But that's everything for this treat bag junk journal. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing my flip through. Hopefully you got some ideas or inspiration from all my different layouts. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration. Leave me a comment down below as well, and I'll talk to you all very soon in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs!